Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to write bold text on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open any web browser you prefer. In the search bar, type bold text generator and press enter. You will see a list of results. Select one of the bold text generator sites from the list. Once you're on the site, find the box that says something like normal text goes here. Tap there and type the message you want to make bold. As you type, you will see different bold font styles appear below your text. Scroll through them and pick the style you like best. When you have chosen your favorite style, tap and hold on the bold text until the copy option appears, then select it. Next, open the Facebook app. Whether you are creating a new post or writing a comment, tap and hold in the text area until the paste option appears, and your bold text will be added. And that's it. Now you know how to write bold text on Facebook.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.